Engaging music, dynamic visuals of the earbuds. Looking for the perfect wireless earbuds that offer power, performance, and comfort. Introducing the Rulefiss Q38. Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Your ultimate companion for music, calls, and more. With a smart power display, you can check the charging progress at a glance, ensuring you're always ready to go. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, these earbuds provide a seamless, ultra-stable connection with your device. No more dropouts, just pure sound. Experience 360 degrees HiFi panoramic sound, delivering deep bass and crystal clear treble for an immersive audio experience. With an impressive 48-hour total playtime, enjoy uninterrupted music, calls, and entertainment, whether at work, the gym, or on the go. Built with IP7 waterproof protection, these earbuds can handle sweat, rain, and accidental splashes. Perfect for workouts and outdoor adventures. Designed for lightweight comfort, each earbud weighs just 8G, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for long hours of use. Whether you're exercising, studying, or enjoying your favorite movies and games, the Rulefiss Q38 wireless Bluetooth earbuds are the perfect partner for every moment. Upgrade your sound, elevate your experience. Get your Rulefiss Q38 wireless Bluetooth earbuds today. Order now and step into the world of superior wireless audio.